Medium Child Study. Subscribe our channel for more educational videos. English words for kids. 3-letter words starting from R. R A T. Rat. R E D. Red. R U N. Run. R O D. Rod. R A Y. Ray. R A M. Ram. R A N. Ran. R O W. Row. R I P. Rip. R U P. Rub. R U G. Rug. R O T. Road. R O D. Rod. R A W. Raw. R A G. Rag. Medium Child Study. Subscribe our channel for more educational videos. Click on bell icon. Like and share.